97. Baby birds. Dave's dad shows Dave a little bird's nest in a tree. "See the pretty blue eggs?" asks his dad. "A mother bird laid those eggs. She will sit on them and keep them warm. Soon the eggs will break. What will come out?" asks the father. "Baby birds," Dave says. "Yes, but don't touch the nest, or the mother bird won't come back to her eggs."
3 blue eggs.
If you want to shine tomorrow, you have to sparkle today. 10 minutes a day goes a long way. Thank you for watching and see you next time.